Assignment 17 is another one of our construction paper ones. It's another one where you have the page divided in half. And it's another one where you're creating the sense of depth. In the previous ones, when we did with 16, you were changing position. In this case, you're changing scale and value. So for to create depth with change of scale is what you're doing for A, and you're changing the feeling of depth with value. And it's either or in this particular case. So your objects are going to get increasingly small in A, and in B, your object size is going to be the same, but the value is going to get lighter as it goes away. And so you can do the value scale with the cross hatching on different rectangular shapes, or you can cut out picture samples again that get increasingly light. But just make sure that all of your shapes are the same for part B, and all of your shapes it's the same shape for part A, but they are going to get smaller. So the size is going to change for A, the value only is going to change for B, but the shape and the size will remain the same. So size changes, value changes. And again, it's going to be cut out in glue. If you'll notice, they're changing the angle as well as they're playing around with this. That's fine. You're not supposed to exactly recreate these examples, but you can play around with the angle and the position slightly and get the idea here. Now, what will not work for A is if you go from biggest to smallest to middle, it has to be a consistent progression. The same thing's true of your value. It can't go dark, light, medium. It has to go dark, slightly lighter, slightly lighter, slightly lighter as you move your way back. And so long as you're consistent with that, these should work out and should do what they need to do.